What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to a Drew tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change an image tone on the Canva app. So once you're inside the Canva app and you're on your canvas here and you have your image, in order to change the tone of the image, all you have to do is simply click on the image. Once you click on that, you will have some options here at the bottom, guys, and all you have to do in order to change the tone is simply click on filter. Once you click on filter, you have different tones that you can choose from, right? So you have the mist tone here, you have the arrow tone here, you have the lunar tone here, and you can choose between natural, warm, cool, vivid, soft, vintage, mono. You have different one, color pops, and all those different things. So let's say I want this to be warm. I can go ahead and I can go to warm, and I can select, for example, ballet, capri. You can go down, you can tap in, you can choose a Sunday, whichever one you want, guys. You can choose whatever option. So cool, you have different options as well. So if you're looking for how to change your image tone to something, you can easily go ahead and do so by finding the correct tone under filters, and that's it.